Hello friends, welcome to your channel Garden Diary of Spot Show. Today I'll tell you about planting lettuce from seed collection to harvest. If you are serious about lettuce growing, don't skip any sentence into this video, otherwise you may miss most important information you may need. Let's start the video. I always grow lettuce from the last year's seeds. That has some reason, I'll tell later. You see, the bolted lettuce looks like this. It will flower and produce seeds. You should collect this stalk and keep it in a newspaper safely at any place. And next year, like I have done in 7th November 2020, I brought out this newspaper and the stalk, and I'm separating the flowers and seeds from the stalks, dried stalk. It is very easy to separate. Now I'm telling you why it is very important to collect seeds. From many reputed companies, I purchased lettuce of many types, and at least 60 to 70% time they failed. And that was mainly because the seeds may be old. You never know when the seeds are packed and which year it was packed. But since then, when I am collecting my seeds, I never failed in growing lettuce. See, the seeds look like this, very tiny, like this. That's why you should collect the seeds very easily after growing lettuce in the month of February or March. Now, second point is very important: how to sow the seeds and when to sow the seeds. Best time to sow the seeds when the temperature is around 26 degrees Celsius or below. Otherwise, it is going to fail. And how to sow the seeds is also very, very important. Just see, I am now separating the flowers from the seeds. It is not very necessary step. Just to show you, I am blowing air on it to blow out the dried flowers so that I can show you the seeds. The seeds are very tiny and plenty. You can see from only one stalk. I am just spreading it over the media. Here I have taken coco peat and little bit of compost only. Note, I am not burying the seeds into the coco peat like I do in other sowing processes, because unlike other plants, lettuce need light to germinate. As always, I am writing the date so that I can remember when I have sowed. It does not take more than 3 days to germinate, at the most 7 days. Now I am spreading some coco peat over it, not to cover all the seeds. I am stressing that they need light to germinate. Don't keep this pot or container into any dark place. You keep it in light, not in direct sunlight, but there should be some light in the place where you keep this container. Water it carefully and fully. This is after 17 days. I am going to plant these in these two containers. These are shallow. The ratio of the potting mix you can see on the screen. You can see the size of the seedlings in just 17 days. You can plant it directly into the container where you want it finally, but the seedlings are very tender. They get destroyed by the birds. That's why I transplant them. Now forgive me for the shaky video, because I am planting it with the camera in one hand. I am planting in one other just to show you how to plant them. You need to separate all the seedlings and just make a hole into the media and put the seedling and cover it with the soil like this. Finally, it was looking like this. I had many other seedlings that was not used, so I planted them into the base of my other plants like beans and bhindi. I didn't waste them. Look, I have planted them in many places, and this is after 30 days. 30 days of sowing the seeds. You can see they are ready to harvest. You just remove the leaves you require and they will grow again, and it is sufficient for a 5-member family. If you need more, you plant more. You can see growth is less in coco peat and compost. Hope it will catch in time. Hope you have liked the video. If you have liked the video, just press the like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for viewing the video.